Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of essential oils, specifically tailored for our little ones. Get ready to learn all about the best essential oil set for kids available on the market. Introducing the Plant Therapy KidSafe Feelin Good Essential Oil Blend Set. This set is a game changer for parents looking to support their children's health and well-being naturally. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. This set includes 3 100% pure, undiluted essential oil blends: Germ Destroyer, Immune Boom, and Sniffle Stopper. Each blend is carefully crafted with kids' safety in mind, ensuring they can reap the benefits without any harmful ingredients. Now, why is this set the best choice for your little ones? Well, let me tell you. First off, these essential oil blends are specifically formulated to support your child's immune system, respiratory health, and overall well-being. With ingredients like Germ Destroyer, Immune Boom, and Sniffle Stopper, you can tackle seasonal threats head-on. Whether it's cold and flu season or just everyday sniffles, these oils have got you covered. From diffusing them in your home to applying them topically, there are endless ways to incorporate these blends into your family's wellness routine. But here's what really sets Plant Therapy apart: their commitment to quality. Each bottle of oil undergoes rigorous testing, including organoleptic testing by essential oil expert Robert Tisserand and GCMS testing by third-party laboratories. That means you can trust that you're getting the purest, highest quality oils for your family. And the best part? Plant Therapy is dedicated to making high-quality essential oils accessible to everyone. With direct-to-consumer pricing, you can enjoy premium oils without breaking the bank. It's a win-win for both your family's health and your wallet. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried the Plant Therapy KidSafe Feelin Good Essential Oil Blend Set? Let me know in the comments below. That wraps up today's review of the best essential oil set for kids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay happy and healthy.